Hi, in this video, so I'm going to show you how you can change out the pollen filters, the cabin filters, on a Citroën C3. This is a 2021 model. They're located in the engine compartment, so we're just going to open up the bonnet. This is a UK car. And we're just going to put the stay up. And they're located in here, and there's actually two of them. One here and one over here. So you need to undo these three clips and take off this little bit of trim. And the first one, well, they're both located just in here. This is the first one and the other one's over in this direction. So we just need to undo the clip here, and this will drop down this plastic little cover. And there's the first cabin filter just there. And if you have a look at the orientation of the airflow, the arrow is pointing down. So this is the dirty side and the clean side goes into the cabin. So when you install your new one, we're going to be putting these back in, but when you install your new one, you want to make sure that the airflow, the arrow is pointing down. So that's the first filter. And there's another filter. We're just going to pull it out a tiny little bit just to show you where it's located. Can you see it just there? Little white one just there. So we're going to pull that all the way out to here, and then it will come out just like the other one. But this is a different size filter. Again, the airflow on this is pointing down, so you can see the arrows going down. But this isn't a perfect square, so you're going to be putting this in like that. So you can see the horizontal there. So we're going to be putting this one in first. Make sure you put it in this way, because if you put it in this way, it's not going to fit properly, and make sure that the air flows down. So now we're going to pretend these are new ones, putting it back in. You do have to wiggle it around a lot to get it into its home. You want to make sure it's pushed to the very right, because otherwise you won't be able to get the next one in. Now with this one, you can get lucky sometimes and it goes straight in. Other times it can be a bit of a struggle. If you lift up the back of the filter a little bit when you're pushing it to the side, it seems to go in easier. So you can see now that that's gone fully in. There's no bit of white sticking out here. So now we need to put this one in. Again, make sure airflow, arrow pointing down, and it actually says airflow on it. So that one's nice and easy. Then you just need to close that little flap. So that's both of them changed. We just need to put this little cover back on. So you just locate the back first, and then it will clip down. And that is it. That's the cabin filters done. So close up the bonnet and job done. So it's a little bit fiddly to get the second one, but it is still very doable yourself. Thanks for watching.